What's up guys? Today I'm gonna be vlogging that we're gonna go into the tree house. So let's start today's video. So as you can see guys, they are preparing a wedding because our worker has a wedding tomorrow. This farm is located in Bias, so tomorrow there is a wedding, so they need to prepare. So let's go to the location. As you can see guys, we don't live here anymore. Our workers live there because my dad gave it to them. So that is our house right there. That I vlogged in the past vlog. So this bike is ready for the latest trail. If maybe I cannot trail or I can trail, but we'll just see about it. So let's go to the another location. As you can see guys, we're gonna downhill now. So let's go. Woo! So, as you can see guys, today is so muddy. So, maybe we can just approach it. Woo guys! So today guys, that's the easy ride there. So let's go guys to another location. Hello guys, somebody is in my front right now. It's the camera girl from the jailbreak film. Hey, bye! I don't run. It's a camera girl, guys. This is my sister, Sophia Yana Kalyaw. You can add her on Facebook and subscribe to her channel, Sophia Lemon. So let's go to another location, guys. So hello, guys. Today I'm off-roading. As you can see guys, my bike is so dirty. Pakita akong bike. So guys, we're gonna vlog now because we're going the Picas area. So let's go and have some fun. Sorry guys, wala na dayon ang akong trail kay dili mo sugot akong daddy. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And shout out to my sister Sophia Ayana, who is the camera girl of the jailbreak short film. And shout out to my cousins Elijah Padernal, Alfonso G. Calyaw, then Ariana Lay, and our baby Isaiah, and Alana, and Patrick Zeb Iso, my cousin also. So I hope you enjoyed the video guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!